In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Monopoly Go username. It's a very simple process. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Monopoly Go app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. After you follow along the instructions, you will see this kind of home interface. Now, in order to find your Monopoly Go account username, over here in the top right corner, you can see the 3 lines icon. Tap on it. And in the top, you can see your profile picture. And right below that, you can see your username. So that's it. That's a very easy process to find your Monopoly Go account username. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.